Bose Krishnamachari was born in 1963 at Magattukara village near Angamaly, Kerala, India. He is an internationally acclaimed Malayali painter and artist-curator based in Mumbai, India. He had done his early schooling at Puliyanam. He took his BFA from Sir J.J. School of Art, Mumbai in 1991, and then completed his MFA from Goldsmiths College, University of London in 2000. His work comprises vivid abstract paintings, figurative drawings, sculpture, photography, multimedia installations and architecture. Since 1985 he lives and works in Mumbai. Bose is the founder member and president of Kochi Biennale Foundation and Biennale Director of International Exhibition of Contemporary Art, Kochi Muziris Biennale. He was a recipient of the award of the Kerala Lalita Kala Akademi 1985, British Council Travel Award in 1993, Mid-America Arts Alliance Award in 1996, Chales Wallace India Trust Award 1999-2000. Lifetime Fellowship Award, Kerala Lalita Kala Akademi, and was first runner-up for the Bose Pacia Prize for Modern Art New York, 2001.